Arvaya from GoFit. So today I just wanted to quickly come and have a quick chat with all of you about a topic that is probably one of the most searched on Google, which is weight loss. Either you are on a weight loss journey, someone you know, your friends, family is definitely on a weight loss journey. So this video is for all of you. While some of us do see results in a weight loss journey and we're able to shed the kilos, some of us are not. So what is the difference between these two? We are probably making some mistakes, right? That's the reason we're not seeing any results. So let's talk about 3 mistakes that you're making on your weight loss journey and how you can correct them today. Let's start with mistake number 1, which is you're probably not eating in proportion. When many of you come up to me and tell me that they're on a vegan diet or a paleo diet or a keto diet or whatever diet you're on, and you're still not seeing results, and when I ask them to tell me and list me all the food that they're eating throughout the day, that is where I see the mistake. They're not eating in proportion. While you might think that, say, an avocado is really healthy and you can eat it, but you have to still eat it in proportion. You cannot go about and eat, say, 5 avocados a day. You have to eat the required amount that you need. It is the same for all other food groups as well. You need to eat in proportion. Even if you're eating healthy, you need to eat in proportion. So that was mistake number 1, and now since you know, don't repeat it again and start eating in proportion. Moving on to mistake number 2. Are you really working out hard enough? While you might tell me that you're working out in the gym for 2-3 hours, let me ask you, are you really working out hard enough? Or are you just like mindlessly just walking on the treadmill or scrolling through Instagram or talking to a friend? A 15 to 20 minutes workout where you're actually sweating and out of breath and you're putting your mind, body, soul into it, it is much more efficient than a just 2-hour mindless walk in the treadmill. So here's mistake number 2. You have to work out hard enough, not just in terms of quantity, but in terms of quality. Say, even if it's a short workout, make it efficient, make it count. And moving on to the last point, which is you've probably hit a plateau. So plateau is when your body has gotten used to a certain type of workout. If you keep repeating that workout, you will not see results. Why can't you try different kinds of workouts? Say swimming, jogging, or even yoga, or playing your favorite sport like badminton or football or cricket or anything. Or you could even try increasing the reps in your workout, increasing the duration of your workout. So this was it. These were 3 points and the 3 mistakes that you're probably making. So now you have the information. Stop making these mistakes and you will definitely see results in your weight loss journey. Good luck. Bye.